barkada.
Good Saturday crowd here. Again, you are at the arena. We are at the arena in San Juan. What has become the home of Philippine volleyball. Look at this nice flooring, and
Oo
you just
nga.
love to play.
Earlier, Eric was asking me, anong difference? Sabi ko, normally kasi itong mga players, of course, in the gyms that we have in our schools, it's normally like wooden floor, or some would play in cement floor lang. Sabi ko, masarap paglaro pag
Taraplex.
Ako dati naglalaro ko sa semento
Feeling
lang.
Olympics
Oo. Pag sa semento, tapos badada pa ka, may sugat ka na.
And then, of course, it also protects your knees. May ano rin siya because it's softer when you land. Alam mo
Yep.
naman sa volleyball, how many times do you jump every game? So, may
Correct.
protection. There's a certain protection. Well, now Gretchen Ho to serve for Ateneo on her third year. Caballero into the net.
So far, from the 6 players that you see here on the floor for USDS, Caballero was actually committing most of the errors.
So that's why Ateneo is able to come back in this set. Up now by 3. Rotsugi, and look at this young girl play. Acevedo from the back row. This time, Maizo from the back row. No spin. Fantastic.
Not at all. But then it's good that Ateneo is taking advantage of this.
But this time, let's hear it from Coach Shaq.
Berer! Natakot ka? Ilang puntos yan, no? Ang liit na nga ng blocker, mahanap ka ng malaking blocker. Diskarte! Bibigyan ka lang magandang bola eh.
Well, I think Caballero playing a bit sick. Narinig ko from their assistant coach, Coach Villet. Medyo playing hurt itong si Caballero, but not that, hindi naman major. But mukhang it's affecting her.
Could be the case, but
Of course, pag game adrenaline
Oo,
rush
iba
na yan
yan
Gretchen Ho again on the service line as Maizo Looper goes in. Kainglet on the open hit. Kainglet once again. This time dug up by Acevedo. Caballero again.
oh, Pascual was off timing.
That did go across as Ateneo takes another point. Up now by 5 in this second set.
Take a look at this play again.
Actually, good coverage coming from Ateneo. Caballero, another try on the open hit. Maizo from the back row. De Sousa's there.
Oh, and Pascual successful with that shot. That shot didn't have power.
Yes, but
Quickly just put the ball over.
so again, Coach Shaq de los Santos not liking how the girls are playing. Let's listen in.
Anong gagawin mo eh? Ha? Tim, panig, taga, 6 lang yan. Kaya pa yan, ha? Sipag pa. Aysa, pag pumalo ka ng backline, huwag mong tigilan yung sarili mo. Okay na, hampasin mo lang. Tigilan na. Tigil eh. Alam ko na tigil eh. Ha? Lalo ka magkakamali niyan. Okay? Ayan, pagbababa, drop. Uy, napano mo ka nito. Dati, ha? Go.
Liza Maizo being told na huwag pigilan pag nasa back row, which is true, no? As a player, kailangan na, you need all your power when hitting from the back row.
So may go signal from coach na sige.
Actually, that's part of her play. It's part of her arsenal. One of the many.
That's right.
Combination play! That was actually Valamar taking that point.
Bea.
Pascual connecting once again.
This is what we were saying earlier. Phil Kainglet has had, a number of attempts, pero hindi siya makalusot. But then this one quick play from Bea Pascual scores them a point. It's really the variety of plays.
The variation. That's why kanina pa sinasabihan ni Coach Roger yung setter nilang si Jem Ferrer. Oh, Jesus! But that was a bit low. She's a high leaper. Saan kumalon?
She is. Actually, pag tinignan mo siya, it doesn't look like it, but when she starts to approach, Manila Santos is not very tall, but then she
Correct.
drops high.
In the mold of Manila, of Ila Santos.
And we have other players also may taas talaga tumalon.
Kaletran. Remember her? Pantalyon.
Semana is also a high number from
Pantalyon. Pantalyon. But Rhea de Maculangan now to serve for UST. Nice sharp serve. Kainglet running in from the back row.
These are the points that they just throw away sayang because right now, they have the lead and what they want to do is to protect it, to make sure that UST won't get anywhere near their score.
Kumbaga mag-error ka man ng isa, but make sure you take the next point. De Jesus once again through the two tall blockers of UST. Terotsuchi and Maizo. Wow!
And you can see in De Jesus, she has that, parang fighter, Hindi siya natatakot sa blockers. Look at this.
Look at her go. Right in the middle. Alam niya yung younger Hirotsuji, hindi pa ganun katigas yung block. Smart move there. Again, De Jesus, but this time dug up by Amar. Great dig by Cara Acevedo. And De Jesus for using the blockers this time.
And I think right now, for Ateneo, they've found their smart plug. She's very effective. Kainglet is on the floor, but kanina nga sabi natin to no avail si Kainglet hindi makapenetrate ng blockers, but De Jesus, probably hindi rin na pag-aralan ng UST.
That's right. Yan na nga. And this time, an ace. Amar not in a good position to take that one. Ferrer getting that point and just a point away to take this second set. Oh, and Ateneo equalizes this game. One set apiece.
Siguro iniisip ni Coach Roger, bakit ngayon lang?
Sabi mo nga may mga ganong teams, matagal mag-start ng kanilang mga game phases. On the second set, Ateneo taking it. Mukhang mahaba-haba daw, partner. Well, you see, so one set apiece, and we'll come back with this Ateneo UST game.